Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful painting with alcohol ink. And before you start, please read the safety tips on alcohol ink art, which is very important. And I'm using glossy photo paper, high gloss, ultra premium photo paper from Staples. But you can use any other paper, like any other synthetic paper also. And for blending I use this 91% alcohol, and the colors I use is mermaid. So mermaid is basically teal. So first I add the isopropyl alcohol, which is 91% isopropyl alcohol I got from pharmacy. Then I add the mermaid color, and the colors will blend when isopropyl alcohol mix with the alcohol ink. So we let it drip down like an abstract texture. And so I use a piece of wax paper to use it like a brush to spread the paint. So that way when the painting is done I can easily throw it away instead of ruining the brush. So that's why I'm using this. So gently spread it across and let it drip down. And it's totally abstract painting, so you can use any color that you like for making the painting. And I also use another color, slate. The slate is basically gray color that I add, and I also let it drip down with mixing with isopropyl alcohol. So just let the paint flow through in its own direction, and that way you get the abstract effect. For painting the flowers, I'm using two colors, magenta and pitch black. So when you mix magenta and pitch black, you get the dark purple kind of color. So, and also it reduces the brightness of magenta. So I use a mix of pitch black and magenta. And just basically use a piece of wax paper, like I told you earlier. Just roll it, and then you dip into the paint, and we'll be making the flowers. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you should let the base layer dry completely before you add the flowers. So I use the hair dryer to dry the first layer of teal, and then I'm going to start this painting this. And for drawing branches, I'm using this Kelly art markers, which are alcohol ink based markers that easily blends with isopropyl alcohol. So I'm using that markers to draw the branches. But if you don't have alcohol ink markers, that's okay. You can use any other markers that you have.